today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude to Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click inside Claude to find the Notion connector and what to expect when you're prompted to upgrade. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the official Claude site. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press enter. You should see the official result at the top. Click the Claude website to open it. As a quick tip, make sure you're landing on the real Claude domain so you know you're in the right place. Once the site loads, look to the lower left corner of the page and click your profile icon. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to sign in before you can access profile options. That's normal. After your profile menu appears, choose Settings. This takes you into the area where you control how Claude interacts with other tools. Inside Settings, click on Connectors. Connectors are the official integrations that allow Claude to work with services like Notion, so this is where you'll manage them. Next, click Browse Connectors. That opens the catalog so you can search and discover what's available. In the catalog search field, type Notion. This filters the list so you can quickly find the Notion connector without scrolling. When you see Notion in the results, click it to open the connector page. Here, you'll typically find a short description of what the connector does and a button to get started. At this point, click Upgrade to connect. The Notion connector requires a paid plan in Claude, and this button is your path to enable it. Clicking Upgrade to connect begins the upgrade flow, where you can review plan details before proceeding. This is expected behavior. Once your account is upgraded, the Notion connector becomes available from this same page, and you'll be able to continue right from here. A few quick tips while you're here. Make sure you know which Notion workspace you intend to connect, especially if you use multiple workspaces. It's also helpful to have the right permissions in Notion for the pages or databases you'd like Claude to access. If the interface looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Designs change from time to time, but the path through Settings, Connectors, and Browse Connectors remains the same. That's it. You navigated to Claude, opened Settings, went to Connectors, searched for Notion, and selected Upgrade to connect. Thanks for watching, and you're now set up to enable the Notion connector inside Claude.